Want to record your favorite shows and never miss an episode? With the YouTube TV DVR feature, you can record live TV and watch it whenever you want. This simple guide will show you how to use it. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Find your show. Browse through the available channels or use the search function to find the show or event you want to record. Step 3. Select the show. Once you've found the show, select it to go to the show's page. Step 4. Add to library. Click on the plus Add to Library button. This will ensure the show is automatically recorded every time a new episode is available. Step 5. Access your recordings. To view your recordings, go to the Library section on the left side of the home screen. Here you'll find all your recorded content, ready for playback. Step 6. Manage recordings. If you need to manage your recorded shows, go to Settings and select DVR Settings. You can delete recordings, adjust the recording quality, and even set up automatic recordings for series. Bonus tip: you can record as many shows as you want at the same time, and your recordings are saved for up to 9 months. Enjoy your shows anytime, anywhere, and remember to subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.